If you're looking to tone your abs, enhance balance, or simply improve your overall well-being, then this class is for you. Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to today's practice, where we will be doing a sequence of dynamic asanas and mindful movement to engage, activate, and build a strong core. So we're going to begin this session by coming to sit in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight. Palms come to rest on your thighs or on your abdomen. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, creating length in your spine. And as you exhale, letting your body sink into the mat, observing your breath moving in through your nose and out through your nose. Now as you breathe in and out, just notice the rise and fall of your abdomen beneath your palms. Last one. This time, as you exhale, tightening your pelvic floor muscles, your seat, your lower back, and your belly. Just engaging your core completely. Inhale, push the belly into your palm. Exhale, tighten your seat muscles, your pelvic floor muscles, abdomen and lower back. One more deep breath in. Completely exhale through your nose. Drop your hands, drop your chin towards your chest, and open your eyes with a few blinks. Inhale, reach your hands up, drop your head back. Exhale, turn and twist towards your right. Breathe in again. Up, twist towards your left. Inhale. Exhale, reach forward. Bring your chin towards your chest, forehead towards the mat. Breath in. Reach up, right hand towards the mat, left reaching towards the right side. Just moving your spine in all directions. Reach your hands up, drop and stretch. Drop your hands down, swing your legs to one side, come onto your knees and palms. Palms directly beneath your shoulder, knees beneath your hips, engage your toes. Engage your toes. Arch your back, chin just gaze forward. As you breathe out, here, pull that navel in, dropping your chin to chest, completely pressing into your palms, pulling that navel in. Nice stretch in your back. Just one more here. Remember to coordinate your movement with your breath. Exhale. Pull the navel in. I have some construction work going on. I don't know if I can take all the noise out in editing. Again, breath in, arch. Breathe out. Come to a neutral position. Engage your toes. Hips directly over your knees. Press your toes and hover. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop down. Arch your back. Round. Send your hips back towards your heel. Forehead towards the mat. Back again. Right leg out. Press your right toes, left toes into the mat. Left knee comes off. Hover. 5, 4. See that you're not arching. Pull that navel in. And 1. Now just drop your right heel. Reach that hand up. Hovering here. 2 and 1. Back again.
Drop your knees. Sit back and stretch. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Come back. Press your toes. Left leg stretched out. Engage your toes. Right knee comes up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your left foot towards the right side. Hold. See that you're not collapsing. If this is too much, you can always rest. And 1. Back. Shake your legs out. 2. And 1. Come into your plank. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now very slowly drop your thighs towards the mat. Inhale, look up. You can, if it's too much, rest your thighs. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Press and back. Push back. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Once again, plank. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Completely breathe out. Stay here. From here, raise both your heels up. Seat towards the ceiling. Now drop your heels towards your right. Nice stretch here. 3, 2. Your palms stay glued to the mat. And 1. Back again. Raise it up. Drop the other side. 3, 2, and 1. Open your feet wide. Come to plank. Inhale. Press into the earth. Exhale. Down. Nice and wide. Big toes to touch. Send your seat back. Forehead on the mat. Bend your elbows. You can turn your palms towards the ceiling. Rest. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Cross at your ankle. Swing your legs through. Slowly roll down onto your back. You can hug your knees towards your chest. Just rest your lower back. Drop your feet on the mat. Hands come to rest next to your seat. See that you bring your thighs together and they don't splay apart. For the first one, Setu Bandhasana. Your bridge pose. Push your knees in the direction of your toes. Squeeze your glutes. If you can, roll your shoulders underneath. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly drop down. Relax your shoulders. Let's go again. Inhale. Here. Come up. Draw your knees. Press your feet into the mat. Hold. Squeeze. Stay here for 3 to 5 breaths. See that the tip of your nose is towards the ceiling. Chest moves towards your chin. Slowly drop it down. Hug your knees. You can rock side to side just to massage your lower back. Drop your feet. Bring your hands all the way behind you. Heels as close to your hips as possible. As you breathe in, create length. As you breathe out, start raising your hands towards the ceiling. Then bring your head off. You're not dropping your chin towards your chest. Look diagonally. Come up. Drop your thighs to either side. And squeeze. Again. Bring your thighs together. As you inhale, hands come back. We're going to do 5 of this. Inhale, go back, exhale. Back. Back, exhale. See if you can drop your feet, your legs further down. There should be no strain in your neck. So very important that you're looking diagonally, you're not looking forward. Look at a point where the wall meets the ceiling. Last one. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Hug your knees towards your chest. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. One more breath in. And exhale. Drop your legs to either side. Arms come to rest next to you. Close your eyes. Noticing the rise and fall of your abdomen. Gently shifting your awareness to your breath. Breathe in. As you breathe out through your mouth, letting your whole body sink into the mat. Taking this moment to pause and rest. Noticing strength radiating all through our body. Stay here for as long as you feel like. Thank you so much for doing this quick yoga session for your core. If you are interested in more videos like this, I have asanas for different parts of the body. You can see that in these videos up here. If you have more time, you can go ahead and do it. If you think this video was helpful to you, please like. And if you know somebody who would benefit from it, please share. Namaste.